Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm doing your bonus love read. This reading is going to be for the sign of Capricorn. So the reading is going to be all about your soulmate, whoever it is. Let's tap into their energies. How do they feel for you? Who is it? And name, initials, and all of that. We'll take message cards from them as well. So stay tuned. And while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal reads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So yeah, let's see who is your soulmate. Let's find out. Four of Cups, Devil, Nine of Swords. There is a specific someone who's chasing you right now. And if not, then this person is going to be coming forward. It can be a past person, it can be a new person, but this person is going to be someone who is going to love you like crazy, to the point where they are not going to be able to stop thinking about you, to the point where they are not going to leave you alone, to the point that this person is going to be like, if you like that kind of attitude, it's going to be good. But for others of you, you're gonna feel like, this person is suffocating you with their, 24/7, messaging you, staying with you, talking to you, and stuff like that. If you are somebody who loves that, who craves for that, I feel like, you will be in the happiest, most relationship with this person. But yes, this person is somebody who, I feel like, for some of you, this person is somebody that you already know. Why? Because it seems like, they are coming forward, they are proposing you, and even if they haven't come yet, I feel like, they will. And when they do, you will have your reservations. So it can be a past person very well, which is going to kind of, make you feel like, I don't want to give a chance to this person again. But then their heart will, your heart will kind of, melt for them once they start showing, or this person is going to make you fall in love with them. I don't know how the situation ended up between the two of you in the past, but this person is somebody, if this is somebody from the past, it will be different for different people. But I feel like, you will have your reservations around this person. For majority of you, maybe you have already started talking to this person, and you are kind of, pushing this person away. But if not, then you will be doing that when this person is in your life. You would feel like, they are somebody who just gets on your nerves. So it's going to be that kind of a person is what I'm picking up. I do see that you would not be readily accepting their offer, but eventually you will. Let's see, how do they feel for you? How do they feel for you? They have lots of love for you. This person has a lot of love for you. And they are going to manifest whatever they desire with you. So there is no question, no point if you are going to escape their madness for you. Trust me, this person is going to fall madly in love with you, whoever it is. Or maybe it's a person that you're already dealing with, and this person is somebody who's crazy for you. And I feel like, this person um, will never take a no for an answer, because this person knows how to win hearts. So even if it's a new person, even if it's a past person, this person, maybe in the past they were a different them, but this time around they will come out as a charming person, somebody who's gonna win over your fears around love life, maybe if you have any. Somebody who's gonna make you believe in love again. But yes, I do see for some of you, you might have issues with their obsessiveness. If that's not your type, then you will have issues with that. But other than that, I don't think that you will have any issues with this person. Let's see, what else is coming up for you with your soulmate. Maybe once you have been madly in love with this person as well, maybe the roles have been now reversed. So that could be a situation too, where you might have your fears, what if this person changes after some time. So maybe that's the reason why you're not accepting them readily, but this person is like crazy over you now. They want you now. Maybe in the past they didn't do that, they didn't want you, maybe they were not like ready to choose you over other things, other people, other situations, but now they are. Maybe they have understood the connection well, maybe they have fallen in love with you. But whatever the case is, I feel like this person is now different them. I feel like for majority of you it's a past person. Let's reconfirm asking the question, is this somebody that you already know? Wait, you will get to know. So for some of you, again, it's going to be a past person. For others of you, it's going to be a new person. Either they had a choice in the past or you had a choice in the past. The role reversal energy is so dominant here that you cannot even believe it. Maybe in the past you wanted this person so bad, but they left you for maybe their work, for maybe their responsibilities, maybe for their family, but now they want you. um, and now you have the upper hand in the situation, in the connection. um, and I feel like you're gonna take your time to give into this connection, and this person is not gonna give up. Eventually you are going to have to give into the connection. um, let's see, what do they want you to know? What is your person's message for you? They love you so much. They might have hurt you in the past, but no more hurt, no more pain. This is what they have to offer. So yeah, let's see the message card from them. Let's see what other messages they have to say to you. When the time is right, I am marrying you and only you. So now maybe the time is right for them, and that's why they are coming in strong. Let's see one oracle card. Let's see what do they have to say. Forgiving and learning. It's high time that you forgive and learn from the past mistakes, and take, as you release and heal the past, you experience more love in your present moments. So I feel like like I said earlier, I feel like it's a past person, but yes, the forgiving and learning has to happen before you could start something beautiful together. So let's see the charms on. Let's see what the charms has to add to the read. uh, um you might be having a lot of stress around this person right now, because let's see why. You know that this person makes you so happy, but then you have to hold yourself back because you know that this madness is something that you don't know if you want to deal with or not. So there is a lot of stress because you want to give in to the connection, then you're holding yourself back. That's adding stress to you and your life. Alphabets, we do have M and Q. It can be your name initial of the person that you are dealing with. I do see that by the winter time, whenever you are watching this, around the Christmas time, I would say, the next Christmas after that is going to be very significant in terms of your connection. Maybe you will be getting married to each other. You might be tying knots, with each other for sure. You might be getting engaged for some of you, but I do see that that's gonna happen for some of you. You might be into bikes and stuff. Maybe you or your person. Somebody who likes riding, maybe it's otherwise riding as well. Maybe you do have a sexual connection which is very passionate as well. I feel like there has been a lot of toxicity in this connection is what I'm picking up. Just for you, I feel like this person feels like this person is going to gift you, shower you with lots of um, it's more like they will do a lot of stuff unexpected that you never expected this person to do ever. They will prove with their gestures that yes, they have changed, and yes, they want you and only you. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this read. If the reading resonated with you or if it helped you in one way or the other, do like, share and subscribe. And if you're willing to get a personal read, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care, bye.